In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step process on how I repaired a rusty hole in this quarter panel. First, you want to get a grinding wheel and grind away any of the loose rust. Grab a piece of cardboard to shove in behind the quarter panel. Grab a can of foam from your local hardware store. Fill the gaps up with the foam. Let the foam cure for 24 hours, then cut with a knife. I'm going to sand the foam down just a little beneath the lip of the metal. Mix up some fiberglass filler to fill into the hole. Let that cure for approximately 10 to 20 minutes. Sand down the filler with 80 grit. Here we are block sanding with 120 grit. Then add a coat of regular body filler. Here we're going to block sand with 220 grit. I'm going to add another coat of body filler here to build it out a little more. Block it again with 220 grit. If you have a portable DA sander, you can move to that to speed the process up a little bit. While you're watching this video, smash that subscribe button to see more videos like this one. This will be the final coat of body filler just to fill in any pinholes that were left. Block sand it again with 220 grit. Now it's ready for primer. We'll put 2 coats of primer on here. Now we're going to wet sand the primer out with 800 to 1000 grit sandpaper. Wet the panel down real good and wipe it off. Pack the panel off and you're ready for paint. I'm using a black base coat to make it easier for the red to cover in. Here's the first layer of red. We're going to put 2 to 3 coats of red on. Now it's time to clear. I will put a total of 2 coats of clear coat on, then blending the edges. Here's the final product.